Well, here we are, guys, in October. And you know what October is, right? That's right. It's my birthday. No, but seriously, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Unfortunately, breast cancer is one of those things that, you know, and I was subject to this. Until it touches your life, you don't fully appreciate just what an epidemic it is. So just for a little bit of perspective, let's talk about some of the stats that I do know now. For instance, breast cancer is going to affect 1 in 12 women. That's a really high percentage. It doesn't mean that they're all going to get the same type, but you know, we're loosely classifying any cancer that affects the chesticles as breast cancer. Even though breast cancer is not hereditary, if the woman's mother experienced breast cancer, her chances of getting it go up by 50%. If you think about that for just a second, there are a lot of women that are going to be impacted by breast cancer during their lives. Oftentimes, those women are our grandmothers, our mothers, our sisters, our aunts, somebody that we know. The chances of you going a lifetime without knowing anybody that was impacted by breast cancer are next to nothing. So you know what that means? It means it's time to break the tutus out again. The guys over at the Drone Network kicked off a Tutus for Tatas competition over the summer. And that was cool, but I want to take this to another level. First, for starters, I don't want it to be a competition, okay? I just want us, as individuals, men or women, to learn a little bit, to educate our friends and our peers about breast cancer a little bit. And think about all the ways, and let's recognize all the ways that it either has or may potentially impact us and the people we love around us. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fly in a public place, wearing my tutu, all goggled up, then I'm gonna sign my name to that tutu and I'm gonna forward it on to someone. And then I would like them to do the same. Wear it in public while they're flying, maybe have their friends do it, sign it, and then on to the next. Now, personally, I'm going to limit this to the continental United States. Maybe Canada too, but I'm not paying to ship this thing overseas. If you guys want to participate over there, you are more than welcome to buy a tutu somewhere and carry on this same thing. For you guys over here, if you want to participate, what I'm going to ask is that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below that you are interested in partaking in this. And in the next week, I'll go ahead and choose a winner, and whoever wins, I'm gonna send you my tutu. And check this out, I'm gonna do one better. I'm gonna pick 2 more people, and you guys are gonna receive tutus as well, so that you can start this movement. Just remember, guys, this is in the name of fun, but it's also in the name of education and awareness. So while you're doing this, of course, have fun with it. How could you not have fun with this? But while you're having fun with it, keep in mind why we're doing it, right?
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.